Welcome back, everybody. To start this video, there is going to be a Bella update, which is very, very good. I need to take a minute and thank everybody that watches our channel. I need to do that from time to time. I want to thank all our Patreons, everybody that buys the Dave's RV Life stickers, and sometimes people will go above and beyond that, and with a little additional support of the channel. That is, it's all of it is so much appreciated. So I need to remember to say thanks from time to time. That being said, what else? Bella update. Thank you, everybody. I guess we'll get started. Well, here's a change up. What am I doing at a Ford dealer? What am I doing at a Ford dealer? On the motorcycle yet? Well, we're in Chehalis, Washington, and this Ford dealer is a Ford. It's called Awesome Ford and Awesome RV. They do have RV parts, so I came here to get my water pump. Tried to save a couple of bucks. I did. I hope I don't regret it by buying the cheaper one. Anyway, we're having a little bit of a heat wave here in Washington. We've moved the RV down to somewhere cool. Somewhere where I can have some coolness. How about that? We're gonna get back to the RV. So we've come to the RV park that I spoke of in the last video. I was concerned whether there were going to be any spaces or not, because there was a heat wave coming, and you know RVs can get hot. It's low 90s and sunny, and that's enough. Your RV's sitting out in the sun and you don't have any power to run your air conditioner. They can get pretty hot. So we escaped down here. So yeah, I was concerned about there being any spaces. Okay. Look, there's nothing but spaces. Where the RV's way down there in the shade. There appears to be 29 spaces here. They're all very roomy. There's a couple here at the beginning on this side that's a little shorter, but most of all these here are. I mean, you could back a pretty big rig into. They all have water and 30 amp service. And actually there's 4 or 5 of them up here that have 50 amp service. And yeah, I guess what I don't understand is, yet with the heat wave here for a few days, you know, these spots are only $20 a night. Now I know there's some other budget minded RVers out there that like free or cheap camping. Well, for 20 bucks a night to have electric, you know, that's a pretty good deal in my book. So the other thing, and it's a big thing for me too, was I wanted to stop, period. You know, with Bella having injured her leg, we'll get to Bella here in a minute. She's doing better. But I just thought, you know, with all this traveling, you know, in the RV, you know, going down the road, rocking and shaking and bouncing around, half the time I thought, you'd be surprised how many muscles are actually in play. You think you're sitting there relaxing, just riding, but you know, you're always getting kind of jostled about. I thought, I just want to sit still for a handful of days. I actually paid for 5 nights, and we've been here for a couple already, and the heat wave will be over another day or two, and we'll be out of here. But in the meantime, I wanted Bella. I just wanted to sit still and let Bella truly relax and take it easy. We've been on a couple of, you know, a couple little walks, a little more and a little more. She's doing pretty well. Nothing too strenuous. So there we are, way up there in the shade. It's nice. We don't even really have to run the air conditioner for hardly at all. But even in the shade, when it gets into Starts getting into the 90s. And it will later today. You know, like yesterday, it seems, you know, a little bit in the afternoon. Late afternoon, I'll actually run the air conditioner a little bit. So I did get this water pump, okay, and I did not buy the more expensive Shoreflow brand. It was $124, which was actually a little bit cheaper than Camping World, one $129. I bought this cheaper Aqua Pro brand. It was $81.94. So it's 3 gallons per minute. And I've unboxed it. These are really easy to put in. They just have a couple of mounting, 4 mounting screw holes. And then the wires are easy. From the existing wires, red to red, black to black. So that's hooked up. Has an inlet and an outlet. And what's nice is it came with this. Hang on. See if I can sit this camera down without falling over. Okay. What's nice is it came with a new strainer. But, you know, for a new install, it comes with these fittings for hoses. But mine already has the hoses and the fittings. You just unscrew it, the existing plumbing, replace the plumb, and screw it back on. And that's how easy the plumbing is. But this is an add-on here. This is nice. It's a strainer, so you put it. Ooh, come on. So the strainer screws on the end of this, and the boundary has one, and it is clean, but the pump is failing. So you screw this on, and then you screw that fitting off. Yeah, so I'll screw these fittings off, pull the old pump out, and screw the new fittings right on, and it's really just like that easy. Hook the wires up, put the screws in. Very, very simple. And I have been cooking out the last couple of nights. We had grilled chicken last night. Bella got a little bit. And I had burgers the night before. Bella got a little bit. And by a little bit, I mean more than she usually gets. She is being spoiled while she's recovering from her injury. We'll get to in just a minute. We'll get to her. So here's the old pump. The old pump's still in it. You see the red wire, the black wire. You can see that fitting on the left. There's a fitting on the right of the existing strainer. So it's really a simple fix, but yeah, it's gotten noisy. And it doesn't pump water quite like it used to. So it's getting ready to fail soon. So yeah, that pump is making some weird clicking noises that it shouldn't be making. Sometimes it's pretty bad. That wasn't too bad, but sometimes it sounds like a little grinder. But I'll get that replaced. There it is, the old pump and new pump. Oh, and I want to show you something somebody made for me. I met a nice couple here the other day. They were camping in their Class C RV. I'm terrible with names. I think it's Sarah and Joe. They seen the sticker on the bounder, and they looked up my channel, and Sarah made me something. Let me show you that. So check out this rock. Okay, how cool is this? The tall pines in Washington, and there's a little fire ring there with fire and marshmallow sticks, and the stars and the moon. I mean, how cool is that? That was so nice. I just love this. It's so cool. And on the back, life rocks when your living room rolls. Pretty cool. Dave's RV Life YouTube. So she initialed it and dated it. Very cool. Yep, that was so nice of her. So, how's Bella doing in her rear hind leg? Bella, Bella. Bella, Bella. It's recovering very nicely. Not even limping. I think she's looking for somewhere to do her business this morning. Bella, come here, girl. Come here, Bella, come here. Yeah, I know that walk. She's looking for that just the right spot to take care of business. So we'll give her a moment of privacy. All better? Come here, Bella. Come on. There's my girl feeling better. Who's there? Say, you know, if there was just a rabbit or something to chase, I'd chase it. I'm ready. Game on. I smell something. Something's in the air. She's just good. Just good. You feeling a little better? Even though she's doing so much better, not limping at all, I'm still going to give her a hand, as I did just now. Instead of just jumping down all those steps, or jumping up all of them in one shot like she does. Now, I'm still going to help her in and out of them steps, or I'll have a hold of her collar and make her go up them easy. I'm still going to watch her jumping activities for a little while yet. She's ready to go now. If I left her loose right now, man, she'd go woohoo, running, having a good time. Nope. She's gonna have some restricted activity for a little while. I just have to watch her. Come on. We can go back and have a little snack, okay? Get some water. Take it easy. Don't want to overdo it. It's good to be feeling better, huh? Say it is. I can stretch. Oh, stretching them legs, nice. That's better. You're feeling better. Okay, ready? Let's go. Come on, let's go. She's feeling better, and I feel better. It is nice to be in a nice big space where I can put all the awnings out. The bounder has 5 awnings above the couch, above the dinette, above the bedroom. I do have the new pump in, and it sounds so much better. There's the new pump. It sounds better and works better. And an awning on this side of the bedroom, and of course the main awning. So I'm so glad we did stop for, you know, a handful of days. Campgrounds, there's usually not a whole lot of room for that in the budget, but sometimes I have to make an exception, you know, for Bella's sake. I think it just did her so much good just to stay put for a few days. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. What else? That's it. We're not going to be here too much longer, and we're going to start south out of Washington. Get that into Oregon. Got to go west just a little bit to get to the coast again, and see what goes on there. I'm really looking forward to it. I guess we'll have to wait and see in the next video. So thanks for watching this one, and like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.